and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Christian and today's video is one that I know that we all can relate to. We all have that one drawer that has no rhyme or reason to it. We just open it up, throw our keys in there, throw our gum in there. Anything that we're not quite sure what we're gonna do with, we just throw it in there, and that is known as the junk drawer. Lately, my junk drawer in my kitchen has gotten way out of control, and so I wanted to come on here and just share with you guys some of the ways that I organize it, because truth be told, I couldn't take it anymore. Now, this is a necessary evil because it's really convenient to just be able to throw, things in this drawer that really don't belong anywhere else in the house. But at the same time, when you're looking for something, you're looking for your batteries, your keys, your hand sanitizer, whatever it is that you're looking for, a spare flashlight, you want to be able to find these things. And so I'm going to share with you today how I organize mine, how I save money organizing mine, and all of the tips and tricks on how you can get yours under control too. So the first thing that we are going to do, you've probably guessed it already, is that you're going to purge. You're going to take everything outside of the drawer. I'm willing to bet that there are old receipts in here, things that your kids have put in here, things that you've put in there because you've taken away from your kids, or at least in my case, things that just don't go there along with the things that do go there. So you want to take everything out of the drawer and you want to separate the two, and you want to throw away the things that you don't need. The second thing that you want to do is, now that you have everything out of the drawer, you want to clean it. You want to spray it down or get a Clorox wipe or something, and you want to wipe it out because one, it probably needs to be cleaned because when's the last time you cleaned it? And two, when's the next time that you're going to be able to clean it again? We don't know. I don't know. I don't have a schedule for emptying out my drawers and cabinets and wiping them down. I don't. I should, but you want to go ahead and wipe out the drawer. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to determine the things that you want in this drawer and the function and purpose that you want this drawer to serve. For me, I just wanted a really good place that I can throw my keys and my spare pen and piece of paper in case I need to jot something down. I've seen other people in their junk drawers, they like to keep batteries and flashlights and things like that. My drawer just isn't that big, so I have a different place where I like to keep my batteries. And truth be told, that place needs to be organized as well. But for this particular drawer, it's all about what you want to keep in your drawer and what would make the most sense to you. So I would keep a list of the things that you want to keep in that drawer, put them to the side. I will also get a shopping list of things that you would want to put in that junk drawer just to have convenient and handy for you. These are things that you always run around the house thinking, okay, where is that? Or do I have another one? Or let me see if I can find one. Maybe it's safety pins, maybe it's whatever, paper clips, whatever it is, whatever's functional for you, you want to put that in this drawer. Then once you determine what categories you have and what you are going to put in this drawer, then it's time to go shopping for bins. And boy, did I luck out on this thing. I got these bins from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree to be exact. And these are very nice bins. I also use these bins to organize my nightstand drawer in my bedroom video, so I'll leave a link for that as well. But these bins are so nice. They're crystal clear. They're thick quality, great quality, durable bins that I got from the Dollar Tree. I got the ones that are wide and open, and then I also got some of them that have a divider with 3 compartments in there, and that's the one that I use for our keys and our gum and cough drops and everything. It is just the best. I love these. Every time I'm in there, I decide that I'm gonna pick up a couple of them because I always end up needing them. And then also too, sometimes they can be hard to find. So it's one of those things where if you think that you might have a need for it or it might be necessary, then you go right ahead and you pick it up and just kind of hold it to the side. And these things come in clutch for projects that you have later on down the line, and you'll be so glad that you got them. So these are perfect for this type of activity. If you want, I can also link some, not if you want, I will. I can also link some bins or some drawer organizers that I have in my office as well that I got from Amazon that are really affordable as well. So I'm gonna link those down below for you as well. So when you're done with your list, when you've got all your items that you want to put in your drawer, you've got the bins that you want to store them in, now this is the fun part. You start to play around with it. You get your bins in there, you find out like which way you want your bins to lay and which way they fit in there, and then you go ahead and start loading it up with all your cool items, and it'll be like a little goodie drawer. Feel like a treat to yourself. When you're ready to run out the door and grab your keys, it will feel like a treat to yourself that they didn't slide back in the back of the drawer amongst the junk. It will feel like a treat to yourself where it's like, oh wow, I really need some Kleenexes in the car with me today. Let me go ahead and take this pack out. Or, oh wow, I really need a battery. Let me go ahead and get this. Or, oh wow, I'm ready to light this candle. Here we go. In this little compartment right here, I have a little lighter for my candle. Like, you will be so happy with yourself that you've done this. And while it's very convenient to just chunk stuff in a drawer and move on about your day, it is, I will argue, more convenient to be able to open the drawer and get to things that you need. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys have picked up some tidbits that are gonna help you out with organizing your junk drawer. Leave a comment down for me below if you have any tips on how you're gonna do yours. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video with a thumbs up. We will see you on the next video.